Mga ka-solar, nakikita nyo ay 5.5 kilowatts hybrid off-grid inverter. It's a high frequency inverter, and sometimes ang problem with this inverter ay medyo tumataas ang temperature niya, especially ngayong summer. So what I did is I installed the fan here sa air intake niya, both sides, isa dito saka isa dun sa kabila, left and right, and it's being controlled by this one fan with automatic Wi-Fi outlet, providing power to the fan, which is auto scheduled. And as you can see, this is already about, this inverter is now mga more or less 2022 installed, so 25, almost 2.5 years na running. And so to cool down, itong ginawa natin, air intake, and of course lagi siyang may fan sa baba para sa hot air going down palabas. That's all mga ka-solar, how to cool down a hybrid off-grid inverter.